can't be barium chloride because there's no hydrogens here. What about the sodium hydroxide? There is a hydrogen there. Why is that? Because this is a hydroxide. That hydrogen belongs to the oxygen. It can't just separate out by itself. Okay? Alright, so because acids have these hydronium ions, it gives them very particular properties. 5 particular properties in general. They're sour in general to taste. Right? So they're sour. If we touch them, they might feel like they're stinging us. Okay, so write down these 5 properties of acids. They make, yeah, it's the main word, sign. Alright, so they're sour to taste, although we should not taste things, right, in general. We don't just taste things to determine what they are. They're going to feel like water, but they're going to sting to touch, probably. Like if you've ever gotten lemon juice in a cut before, doesn't feel too great, right? That's because lemon juice is acidic. Okay?
Lemons are.
Yes, lemons are acidic. Acids react with most metals to form hydrogen gas. If I had some hydrochloric acid here and I put some zinc metal in it, it would almost immediately start bubbling and it would eventually corrode or eat away that metal. It would just be gone. They conduct electricity because they have all of those ions in there. So if I had an electrical conductor and I put it in there and I put a light bulb in there with the 2 ends, it would actually light up because it has ions that can carry electricity. And then there's a particular test that we use. It's called litmus paper. We're going to talk about indicators in just a second. But if you take blue litmus paper and you put it down in an acid, it's going to immediately turn red. Yes.
Is litmus paper the stuff they use to test pH levels?
It is. And so if you've ever tested a pool or a hot tub or anything like that, litmus paper, you're testing the acidity. You're Alright, so all of these things are different characteristics of an acid. So we would say that we can look at acids in terms of their properties. And used to, that was the way that they classified acids because we didn't know about things that we're going to learn about as far as pH and how an atom works that we know now. So back in the olden days, like when I was a young whippersnapper around, 330 BC or so, right? Back when I was babysitting Moses, they could only use properties, right, to classify.
I got it.
Okay, right? Okay, so based on what we just talked about, take your device, see if you can answer this question. Which of these substances, based on what we just talked about, do you think is likely to be an acid? Use your device and answer it.
No. Are you weird, Bianca?
Alright, so our correct answer is orange juice. Orange juice. Why would you think orange juice